how to remove language on Facebook profile. And okay guys, here in your mobile phone, go to Facebook application. Here in Facebook homepage, go to menu on the lower right side on your screen. But if you use Android phone, you can see here on the upper right side on your screen. And I use iOS, so go to menu on the lower right side on your screen. Here in menu, go to gear icon on the upper right side on your screen. Tap the gear icon and settings and privacy. Scroll down and go to audience and visibility section. Here you can see the profile details. You can tap this. Here in about, okay, scroll down and go to basic info. Okay, on the right side of this, you can see the edit button. Okay, you can tap the edit, and below, okay, scroll down, you can see here the language. So okay, the language is set into Filipino language and English language. Okay, to remove this language, you'll have to do is tap the X button on the right side of this language. So for my example, I remove the Filipino language. Okay, tap the X button on the right side of this, and another the English language. Okay, tap the X button on the right side of this, and after that, after you remove the language, tap the save button on the upper right side on your screen to save these settings. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully removed language on Facebook profile. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay, thanks for watching.